Okay guys, today I want to talk to you about this new dangerous trend I see on YouTube to create download website for movies or create download websites for softwares or a lot of illegal APK websites. I don't know why this is happening. Everybody's talking about so openly on YouTube. They're not afraid about anything. Not just they're talking about it, they're telling you how you can get AdSense into this kind of website and how you can buy offshore hosting and you stay away from DMCA strikes. And this has totally blew my mind. I say, okay, let's make a video about it because a lot of new bloggers can fall into the trap. They tell you how you can make thousands of dollars creating these kind of download websites and how you can get millions of traffic by targeting a lot of keywords like this. But they're not telling you the complete story. The complete story is that you might end up in jail. This is not legal. This comes under the Piracy Act. Some people might say they're talking about the movies which can be legally downloadable and they are available to distribute, or some software which are freely available and they have license where anybody can distribute them. But no, if they're talking about these kind of websites, why they're telling you tricks to get AdSense approval and why they ask you to buy offshore hosting? Just think about these two important points, because most of the time people search for the movies on internet which are new movies which has copyrights and people don't want to pay for those movies to watch them. That's why a lot of traffic might come on this illegal kind of website. The same thing happened with softwares. People search software cracks on internet for which they have to pay money to the official websites. So that's why the lot of traffic comes to this kind of website. And let me warn you guys, this is totally completely illegal. Making the website for movie downloads like this or crack of software is completely illegal and you might end up into jail. Okay, now let's talk about 2-3 very important things. First thing is what's happening, what they're telling you, and let me tell you why they're lying to you. Second thing, we talk about what if you get caught, what will be the punishment for this kind of website. Third thing, we talk about what you should do about all these things. Okay, so let's start with the first point, how they're fooling you. So they're telling you how to get AdSense approval and how to buy offshore hosting. So let's talk about first AdSense approval. So telling you, please buy simple domain name and then you post the normal content on the website. And once you get the AdSense approval, you start posting the download content on your website. And you make a lot of money from AdSense because you already get the AdSense approval. But let me tell you guys, this thing does not work. Google system is very fast. The time they will realize that you are distributing this kind of content from your website, your AdSense account will be blocked. Not for this website, for all the websites. And it is possible for some time Google might not catch you, but all the money you will earn, it will be blocked into your account. And if somebody complained against you, even your payment gateway providers might also block your account. Your bank account might also be seized. And second thing about offshore hosting, they're asking you to buy offshore hosting. Why they're telling you? Why you cannot use the normal hosting in your country? Because they know this is not legal and they're still promoting it. And let me be clear with you, even if you buy offshore hosting, that does not guarantee that your website will always stay alive. It will not be taken down. Absolutely not. You might still face the actions from the authorities. You might face actions from the police or cybercrime branch. So do not make this illusion in your mind that you can make a lot of money using Google AdSense on these kind of websites, or you can buy offshore hosting and your website will not be taken down. It is completely false. They are absolutely fooling you. And I see a lot of new beginners are falling into this trap. Let me know in comments if you're somebody who fallen into this trap. Please share experience. It's really helpful for the community and I would really appreciate that. Okay, now let's talk about piracy law. You can see in India, in USA and European Union. I take example for these major countries, but piracy law exists in most of the countries around the globe. So you can see it's applicable to downloading, uploading, linking and recording a cinema in India. And one who's doing this can face up to 6 months to 3 years in prison and fines of 50,000 to 2 lakh rupees. In USA, same, hosting, linking, distributing, downloading, jail up to 5 years and fine up to 250,000. But I think real figure is much more than that. These numbers might not be exactly correct, but this is a punishable law in most of the countries. If you want the detail, check the link in description. I have the link to all these countries where it is a punishable offense. Okay, now let's talk another important point. These people are telling you a trick. So what do? You target the keywords of downloading movies, but you do not add the link on your website to download the movies. So you're not breaking any law. Well, technically it is correct, but still there are some issues with it. Which comes to the next point, how they are fooling the audience. Okay, some people are advising on the internet that you create this kind of website, but do not add a download link. Instead, send them to a official website and you can make a lot of money from it by earning money from affiliate commissions. Okay, so what's happening here? You're targeting the keywords for movie downloads, and when somebody comes to your website, you're sending them to official accounts and you might get some commission. So guys, let me tell you what you're doing. You're misleading the users. They will leave your website very quickly. They will not stay on your website. They will not sign up for the Amazon or Netflix. In some cases, they might do it, but still you will lose trust and people won't come back. because what happening here, you're misleading the users. And also, if this streaming account, they came to know what you're doing, you're targeting different keywords, different audience, and you're sending to their platform, they might cancel the contract with you and you might still face the legal actions from these companies. It's 100% possible. Do not send this illusion that you're not doing anything wrong here, but you are trying to mislead people. You still face some actions against you. In the end, I will tell you, do not fall this kind of cheap tricks. They might give traffic for some time, but in long term, you might lose your reputation and you might end up in jail, or you can get a lot of fine. Or it might possibly make some money, but all get stuck in AdSense because you are not doing the right thing. Then all your hard work will be gone. And I'm sure these people invite a lot of guests on their YouTube channels and they tell how much money they are making creating this kind of website. But there's a short-term strategy. Ask them for long-term. I'm 100% sure in long term their website will be banned. Their website 100% banned. So please do not fall in this kind of trap. Build something legal, build something real which you can proud of in coming 5-10 years, not which send you to the jail for many years. Please share this video everywhere where you see people promoting this kind of website. And by doing this, you will be helping a lot of people not to fall in this kind of trap, especially the beginner bloggers who has no idea this is completely illegal. And if you agree with my point of view, please subscribe to the channel. And if you don't agree, please comment where am I wrong. Please give the full explanation. Do not just say, okay, you are wrong. Nothing happens like this. And don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that. And if you want to know a legal niche where you can make a lot of money, please check this video on your screen.